which I now try to describe the features of AGECityConnect Browser. You click here, connect, and over here you start loading the Edge browser with our default page at hpaperless.com. Right, this is a page here. You can see the videos and all that. And let's say you want to go to yahoo.com. You just click here, it goes to yahoo.com. Okay, you're gonna go another page. You just type in let's say google.com. google.com, and then you want to have to load using your default browser. It can be Internet Explorer, it can be Firefox, it can be Chrome, Safari. Your default browser, it loads a default browser. Your favorite browser can use all the features you like, so there's no problem. So you can actually come back to this Edge browser. Now let me describe about the special features of this browser. Multi-indexing. In this case, you don't need, not only it can go to the icon-based web addresses, normal cryptic web addresses, but you can actually simplify it. You just type the star. For example, you just click here, the star, and you load up the star web page without the star.com, the star.com.my, or that you get very confused. And then if it very fast, you want to go another web page, you will have to remember all the .com.my, then it'll be a big problem. Now let's go to another one, NSTP, New Straits Times Press. Right, New Straits Times Press, just click here, then you load up the New Straits Times Press. Now it loads up. Now you got another one, for example, then because I click here again, then you will load again. Let it load first. Okay. Now let's try another one. For example, Windows Exor. AZURE. Is it the .com whatever it is? So many dots, and you can in this case click here. You'll notice that you will load immediately the website. You will also, in this case, load what called the AGECityConnect enterprise networking system, where you can connect with your staff, with your customers, where you can chat with them, send messages, chat with them, then Skype with them, and then Skype or Facebook, you can go them, you can load the notepad or document file or spreadsheet file very fast. You can even screen capture here, right? You can upload and download files. Okay, just right click here, you will list out the file itself. You can upload and download. Okay, you can upload and download itself, and this is a messages column. Now this is what I call the thing. Now if you find that you want to over here have your choice, you want to load this page or what using Firefox or Chrome, you automatically text it. So if you want to have Firefox, I'll click here Firefox, and this page will be loaded in Firefox. So sometimes you have a favorite features in Firefox, you can still use it. So Edge complements all the other browsers. Okay, another very important feature about this is how we make it easy. Oh dear, went off already. We make it very easy for the user to access to applications in your computer. This the system auto detects your the most common application like MS Office, Open Office, or you can actually add. You can click here. You can have Notepad, for example, Notepad, right? You can click here. You can have Windows Word, Extra, Excel, whatever. It's so fast, and then you don't have to click here all over the places. And if you want to add more things, you can actually add it here. Just hit star menu, you add it. Now you want to add more items, you just put a browse. It loads into the one page photo gallery, what application we have, and you just click. For example, Movie Maker. I click here Movie Maker, for example, Movie Maker, and then just put there, call it Movie Maker 2. Okay, then I just add it in, in this case I already have it, so it wouldn't allow, but it's there. This is how it's being added. You can see the Movie Maker here, movie maker. And you click the movie maker, it will load the movie maker, or you can load from the other outside the system. You just load a movie maker. So it becomes a one center application apps for all your apps in desktop. It saves a lot of time, and I can use for your own office accounting packages. And over here there are other package, important package, e-learning gateway, and here YouTube application, all the application recommended. You can add in application here or anything you want. Okay, so here are the useful sites. Like for example, they call your Yahoo Mail, download, download latest age. These are websites you can actually download. Okay, and over here you want to update your age. You click here, you update. You look for updates and update to the latest system. Okay, these are a few things. Then this is a country where you set your country as. In this case, I will set it to Malaysia or whatever. If your country is Malaysia, you set it to Malaysia. Alright, in US you set it to US. Okay, so Malaysia you set it to US, and you click here, set it to Malaysia, so your system will be on Malaysia. One of the most interesting features of this system is the ability to overcome the problems of DDoS attack or the server down. What does this mean? This means that the system here, let's say the company I pay 88. If this site is down, what you do is you click DDoS pages on and click web pages. It will prompt you the page. This is an alternative secondary page in case the main page is down. Indonesian Pay Gateway, the Facebook Gateway, alternative pages will be displayed. In this way, the customer can still fully engage with the company, right? And then you display the next Philippine page. Now that so over here, then you have a different pages, and all that you can communicate in case the main page itself is down. This is a big advantage for many companies because they cannot afford their server to be down. Another big advantage is the ease of keying in. Over here, you have these are the names. I already index name for all the newspapers here in Malaysia. Then okay, here if it's highlighted, when I highlight, I can click here. You click the Sun, and I can click the page itself, and the Sun will be loaded. Now if you want to, let's say if you want for memory and STP, okay, and just click here, you load NSTP 3 times, so very fast. So you don't have to remember them. Let's say Windows XO or whatever it is, it works. I did load first, right? Now I loaded. Once you have loaded, now we can type other, right? Windows XO. You just click here, and it goes down here. Very simple.